Vinayak sat cross-legged on the floor, his eyes fixed on the ancient Hindu robot beside him. The robot's metallic blue body seemed to gleam in the bright sunlight streaming through the window, and Vinayak's heart swelled with excitement. He had found the robot's remains just that morning, hidden away in a dusty corner of the village. Vinayak's small village was a picturesque haven, with its bright blue sky, small Hindu architecture, and tiny houses that seemed to blend seamlessly into the raw soil. But Vinayak's mind was elsewhere, consumed by his passion for technology and his desire to bring the ancient robot back to life. With a sense of purpose, Vinayak sprang into action. He rushed to his room, a veritable treasure trove of computers, wires, and gadgets. The room was a maze of circuit boards, microchips, and wires, but Vinayak navigated it with ease. He worked tirelessly throughout the day, fueled by his passion for technology and his desire to revive the ancient robot. As the sun began to set, casting a warm orange glow over the village, Vinayak's fingers flew across the keyboard. He attached the robot to a complex network of wires, and the air was filled with the hum of computers and the glow of screens. Suddenly, the robot's eyes flickered to life, and Vinayak's heart leapt with joy. As the wires detached, the Hindu robot, now named Vishnu, stood tall and strong, his bright blue body glistening in the sunlight. His Indian gold jewelry aesthetic sparkled on his metal skin, giving him a majestic appearance. Vinayak beamed with pride as he gazed at his robot friend, who now seemed to radiate an aura of peace and tranquility. Vishnu's face was surprisingly cute, but his eyes shone with a deep wisdom, betraying his innocent appearance. Despite being the ultimate destroyer, Vishnu exuded an aura of serenity, as if he had transcended the boundaries of violence and chaos. As Vinayak and Vishnu walked through the villagers couldn't help but stare in awe at the majestic robot. Vinayak and Vishnu became inseparable, their bond growing stronger with each passing moment. They stood heroically under the bright sunlight, their smiles radiant with joy and companionship. Vinayak and Vishnu spent their days exploring the village, helping those in need, and learning from each other. Vinayak taught Vishnu about the intricacies of human emotions, while Vishnu shared his vast knowledge of ancient Hindu scriptures and the secrets of the universe. As the sun began to set, casting a warm orange glow over the village, Vinayak and Vishnu stood together, their hearts filled with gratitude and love for each other.